quick Flexirod tutorial. Don't be fooled by her texture. I know a lot of people feel like, oh, because her texture is loose, I can't do this. Yes, you can. Don't let the smooth taste fool you. This can be achieved on any texture. You just have to blow your hair out first. I'm doing hers on wet because her hair is so, her texture is so loose, but usually I wouldn't do this on wet hair. So the first thing you're gonna do is section your hair off into 4 sections. So I'm using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Foam. The link to that will be in my bio, so you guys can get the direct link if you guys want to purchase it. You can saturate the hair completely before you begin to kind of make your life easier. It helps things to move along a little faster. So I also want to point out here, you want to make sure the hair is completely detangled before you do this. And yes, you want to use a fine tooth comb because it's going to get all of those knots and all of those things that a wide tooth comb would miss. So if you notice, I'm starting at the middle of the head with this. Why do I do that? Because I want the ends to be wrapped around the hair so they won't move. So that is one of the reasons that I usually start in the middle. And it also provides more tension versus starting at the very end. I wrap the hair so that the ends are enclosed behind the curl so they can stay flat. And you want to make sure this is tight at the roots. You don't, I mean, it's going to be a little uncomfortable, but I mean, beauty is pain, right? So I want to correct what I said earlier. I didn't mean the middle of the head. I meant the middle of the part, the curl itself. I'm not starting at the ends. I'm starting at the middle to create that tension. As you can see, I'm wrapping the ends all the way around to enclose them behind the rest of the hair so that it will stay in place. And yeah, it has to be tight at the roots in order to pull the roots as straight as possible so you can get that movement. Down part, guys. Just keep in mind, if you do decide to clip the hair out the way, make sure the curl is completely cool so that the curl can be set if you decide to clip it, because if you do this and the hair isn't cool, you'll mess up the curl. So as you can see, I'm separating each curl and twisting it the direction that I curled it in, that I set the curl in. And I do have a serum on my hands, so make sure you use that, not an oil, a serum or something, so you won't create frizz in the hair. And I'm just gonna go through each section and separate and pull and twirl the hair in the direction that I curled it. So right now I'm just going through her roots to kind of get rid of some of the parts. The reason why I don't completely get rid of them, or the reason I don't overly separate the hair is because it's humid in New Orleans. And they don't leave with how they want their hair to look today. We give it time to expand. We give respect to the weather and give the weather time to do what it wants to do. Like, I'm good at what I do, but listen, I don't have control over the weather, fam. I don't have control over the weather. So in order for them to get longevity, I don't over separate it here. Now, if you don't have that problem where you live, cool, but we have that problem. The link to the phone can be found in my bio. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you text the word new clients with an S to 33222, you can sign up for my text messaging and you get notifications on deals, coupons, anything I have coming up. So talk to you guys later. Bye.